It's me, Avery, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Because I have Osgood Schlatters in my knee, I ice my knee every single night after dancing, and we've just been using freezer bags and then just throwing them away, and that's like a big waste of plastic. So we saw these and we thought that would be really good for my knee and icing it. And so Ice and Easy said they would like me to be one of their ambassadors. So I am their junior ambassador. So today I'll be unboxing the Ice and Easy ice packs. Okay, so this bit is the bag for the ice to go in. The bit that goes around your knee. How it works is, this whole bit here is like the fluffy side of Velcro. So you just take that off, these two Velcro bits off, then you wrap it around your knee like that, and then you get the two Velcros. The first one just wraps around and you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. And then there you go. Netballers, footballers, and all types of athletes use this Ice and Easy ice pack. You can use my discount code AveryDance20 for your first Ice and Easy ice pack. The benefit for this ice pack is to obviously ice whatever you need to ice, and also the compression of the Velcro straps, because they compress it. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below if you're an athlete, leave a like and subscribe. Bye!